I'm Brenda. Welcome back to my quilt room. Well, August is here, so I'm ready to show you block of the month for August. You'll be amazed at how quick and easy this really cute little block is. So let's get into it. We do have PDF instructions available in the description below, so you don't have to memorize any of the sizes of the squares. You need 3 fabrics to make this one, and this is the block that we're making. It's called a double pinwheel. I just thought these were really cute and festive, and the best thing about it is when you cut out your fabrics, it's going to make 2. So my feature fabric in this one for the pinwheel in the middle is red, and this one is green. So let me tell you what you need to make these. These are really easy. I could see doing a whole quilt in that. You'll need, of your fabric A, you need 2 pieces cut 7.5 inches. Your fabric B, which is the light fabric, that's this fabric for this block. You'll need 4 7-inch squares, which is what these measure, 7 inches, and they're all cut diagonally. Okay, and you will need a fabric C, 2 of those at 7.5 inches. Now mine are the red and the green that are 7.5 inches. And I've showed you this before. You're going to put them right sides together, draw a line diagonally down the center, and then sew on each side of your diagonal line 1/4 inch. And then you're going to cut diagonally from end to end. Then you will turn it and cut it once more from corner to corner, so that when you open it, you will have 4 units. Now, when I had talked about some starching before, this would be a time when you may want to use a little bit of starch, because this long edge here is a bias edge, this long edge that we're going to sew these to. So it helps if you can lightly spray them on the back and give them just a little press so that you're sure you don't end up stretching your material. And the reason this makes 2 units, 2 blocks, is because when you do this, you're going to have your pinwheel, half of a pinwheel going one way, and then half of another pinwheel going the other direction. And so I have sewed my light unit to our little triangle sections that we've made here. You will stitch these 1/4 inch seam all the way down, and when you open them out, you have your double pinwheel. Now after you stitch it, then you're going to square these up to 6.5 inches, which is what I've done here. So these have been sewed, and I have taken my ruler and placed it on the seam line, as you can see here, just like that. And that is squared up to 6.5 inches. Now you need 4 of these pinwheel blocks to make your block. So you will, whichever one you want to be your feature, if this is like the green for this one, then you will turn the blocks so that your, let's see, this is is this right? Do I have it right? And nope. So it'll be one of these is going to be the side that goes. So this one, after it's trimmed up, will be the other half of my, I've got this wrong. Anyway, let's see if I can find the right one. Okay, there we go. That's right. And so you'll sew this on and you can see that the green is forming. I think I'm dyslexic a lot of times. And so anyway, you get the idea. Once you sew your blocks, that'll be this one. Like that. And you have a green pinwheel in the middle. Now, after you've sewed these and you lay them out, you will end up with a red pinwheel going around. And then you'll square your block up to your 12 inches and you will have 2 blocks. This is really a cute little block. The pinwheel's been around for a long, long time. I can see making this even smaller, maybe for a baby quilt, and it would be really quick and really easy. So that is going to be your block for August, and I'm going to go back and stitch all these together so that I have my blocks ready to go. So until next month, we'll see you later.